In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your wallpaper on Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe and drop a like. Now let's get started. Changing your desktop background in Windows 11 is actually very simple. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. From the menu that appears, select Personalize. It has a small paintbrush icon. Once you're in the personalization settings, you'll see different themes on the right-hand side. You can choose one of these if you want a quick change, including options like light mode or dark mode. But if you want to customize your wallpaper, click on Background. Here you can choose how you want your background to appear, whether it's a picture, a solid color, a slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you select Picture, you can pick from the default images shown or use your own. To use a custom image, click Browse Photos, which will open File Explorer. From there, you can select any image you've saved on your computer. If you don't have one yet, you can download an image from the internet and then come back and select it. After choosing your image, you can adjust how it fits your screen using options like Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span. Pick whichever looks best to you. Once you select an image, it will instantly update as your new background. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.